Hello and welcome to my Pikzels AI tutorial for beginners video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Pikzels AI step by step. So watch this video till the end. By the way, if you want to use Pikzels AI absolutely free without giving your credit card details, then you can use the link given in the video description to get your Pikzels AI free account. And suppose if you want to upgrade to any of Pikzels AI paid plan, then you can use the coupon code Sumit to get 50% discount in any Pikzels AI pricing plan. So the free trial link and this special coupon code both are in the video description. Just go and check it out. So without any further delay, let's start this Pikzels tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna share everything step by step. So watch this video till the end. So when you will create your Pikzels AI free account using the link given in the video description and log into your account, then you will see a dashboard like this. From here, the very first thing you need to do is just select the best model from here. As you can see, I'm using the top model, which is Pikzels 4.5. So always select the top model from here. The very first thing you need to do is selecting the model. Next thing you need to do is select the format, like you want to generate the thumbnail for long form video or short form video. So in this video, I'm gonna generate thumbnail for long form videos. So I'm gonna select long form from here. But if you are creating thumbnail for short form video, then you can select short form using this option. So now let's talk about next step. Next, you need to create a persona. So suppose if you want that Pikzels AI will add you in the generated thumbnail, then you have to create the persona first. For this, you just need to click on the persona option, which is showing here. Just click on it. And from here, just click on create persona button. When you will click on it, then it will give you some guideline like which type of photo you should upload. Like you should upload your own photo. It should not upload your photo with someone else like this. So you should upload your photo only. Next, it is showing that you should be clearly visible in your photos, and next is you should include your photo of different angle, expression and lighting condition. So as you can see, for demo purpose I have added 2 photos only. I will highly recommend you to add 10 to 20 photos here. If you will add 10 to 20 photos, then Pikzels AI will use these photos to train their model and it will add you in every single thumbnail perfectly. Okay, after that click on this checkbox and click on generate button. As you can see, I have already created a persona, so I'm not going to create it again. The last setting which you need to do before generating your thumbnail is this style option. You need to add a style. So let me explain what is this style option. Suppose on YouTube you found a channel, let's say you found this fun channel, as you can see, and their thumbnails are looking just amazing. As you can see, this thumbnail is looking just amazing, this one is also looking amazing. So he is adding this kind of thumbnail in his YouTube channel. So suppose I want that whenever I will give a prompt or anything, then Pikzels AI will generate thumbnail like this for me. Then for this I can create a style in Pikzels AI. For this, what I need to do, I can click on create style button. Then I need to paste the YouTube channel URL here. So let's say I want to create style of fun media. So I will copy this YouTube channel link. So let me copy it and I will paste this YouTube channel link here and I will click on continue button. When I will click on continue button, then it will show me all the videos of this particular channel. So from here I can select the thumbnail which I really like. Okay, so for example, I like this particular thumbnail, this thumbnail, this thumbnail, this thumbnail, this thumbnail, this thumbnail, and this particular thumbnail. So you can select 3 videos thumbnail from here, and after that you need to click on this generate button. So as you can see, after selecting the thumbnail from this YouTube channel, it is creating this fun style for me and it is still processing it. So I hope now you understood how to create a style. So these are the 4 settings you need to do before generating your thumbnail. Now let me show you how you can use Pikzels AI to generate thumbnail for your YouTube videos. So as you can see, Pikzels AI comes with 5 different features like recreate feature, prompt to thumbnail feature, analyze feature, edit feature and title feature. So I will give a step-by-step tutorial of all these features. So watch this video till the end. So first I'm gonna give you demo of this prompt feature. So suppose if you want to create a thumbnail with the help of prompt, then you can write your prompt and you can generate your thumbnail. Okay, so let me write a prompt here. Man wearing a black leather jacket, opening a suitcase filled with golden glow, stunned expression, dramatic lighting. Okay, and here I want that it will
add me in this particular thumbnail. So I'm gonna select my persona from here, and suppose if you want that if your thumbnail will look like this fun TV type of thumbnail, then you can select this style from here. But as I already mentioned that it is optional, you don't need to select any style, so just skip it. And so now let me explain what is this add-on thumbnail option. So suppose if you want that you want to add the photo of the suitcase which you want to add in this particular thumbnail, then you can upload that photo using this option. So here is an example. Suppose if you will add a car photo, and if you will say that add this car in my thumbnail, then it will add the exact same car in your photo. I hope you got it. So if you want to add anything from your side in your thumbnail, then you can upload that photo here. Okay, so let me click on generate button. So as you can see, it has generated this thumbnail and it's looking just amazing. It has added my face because I have selected my persona, and this is the exact thumbnail which I have explained in the prompt. A man wearing a black leather jacket opening a suitcase filled with glowing gold, stunned expression, dramatic lighting. Okay, and this thumbnail is looking just amazing as you can see. And here is an interesting part. Pikzels AI will give the score to every thumbnail which you will generate with Pikzels AI. So as you can see, it has given the score 65. It gives score based on the virality, clarity, idea, curiosity and emotion. So based on virality, idea and curiosity, score is low. If your score is above 80, then you don't need to do anything from your side. Your thumbnail is perfect. But suppose if your score is less than 80, then Pikzels AI will give you one click fix button. So you don't need to think like what I should change in the prompt. So it will generate the perfect thumbnail based on virality, clarity, idea, curiosity and emotion. You don't need to think anything from your side. You just need to click on this one click fix button and Pikzels AI will do its job. It will fix your thumbnail and design the perfect thumbnail automatically. You don't need to do anything from your side. I want to mention one more thing, that when you will click on one click fix button, then it's not guaranteed that it will generate the best thumbnail with the score 80 plus. So it's not a guarantee, but 7 out of 10 times it will generate the perfect thumbnail for you. So as you can see, it has generated this thumbnail and it has added some text and all these things to make your thumbnail more attractive. And now the score is 76, which is still less in my opinion. So let me show you. So this was our original thumbnail, and after clicking on one click fix button, this is the thumbnail Pikzels AI is generated for us. So this thumbnail is also looking good because of this text and all these things. So both thumbnail are good. Second thumbnail is looking better because of this text. So in this way you can use one click fix button to generate the better thumbnail. So now I'm gonna give you demo of the style option. Suppose if you want that your thumbnail will look like, let's say, fun TV type thumbnail. Okay, as you can see, these thumbnails are looking good. So if I want to create thumbnails like this, then what I need to do, I can go to prompt section, I can paste the exact same prompt here, and after that what I will do, I will select the style and I will select this fun style from here. Okay, and let's click on generate button and let's see what it will generate for us. I have created fun TV type style in Pikzels AI. I hope you remember. So I have selected fun TV type style for this particular prompt, and let's see what it will generate for us. I don't have any idea what it will generate. Let's see what we are gonna get from this particular style. So as you can see, Pikzels AI has generated this particular thumbnail and it's looking like fun TV type thumbnail. Okay, as you can see. So in this way you can use the style option to copy any YouTube channel thumbnail style. So now I'm gonna give you demo of this recreate option. Suppose if you have opened YouTube and you found that any thumbnail is looking very attractive and you want to create exact same thumbnail for your next YouTube video, then you can do it with the help of Pikzels recreate option. So let's say this thumbnail is looking very good, so I want to recreate this particular thumbnail for my next video. So let me copy this YouTube video link. So I want to tell you one more thing, that this is my video and this thumbnail is also designed using Pikzels AI. Okay, as you can see, this thumbnail is looking just amazing and this thumbnail is also designed using Pikzels AI. Okay, so for now I'm gonna recreate this particular thumbnail for my next video. So let me copy this video link, I'm gonna paste it here, and let's say I want to change this particular logo with Submagic AI logo and I want to write Submagic in the behind. So what I will do, I will select my persona so that it will add me in this particular thumbnail. Next, what I will do, I will add image of Submagic AI logo. So I will click on plus, I will click on upload,
and this is the Submagic AI logo photo I have uploaded, and after that I will describe it that I want to write Submagic AI instead of Higgsfield. Okay, so what I have done so far, I have pasted this YouTube video link. Okay, next what I have done, I have selected my persona. Next I have added Submagic AI logo which I want to place here in this thumbnail, and I want to change the text in the behind, so I have written I want to write Submagic AI instead of Higgsfield, and let's click on generate. Suppose if you want to change the t-shirt color or anything in this particular thumbnail or background color, then you can describe it here in this text field. So as you can see, I have written I want to write Submagic AI instead of Higgsfield behind me, and suppose if you want to change the t-shirt color, then you can write change the t-shirt color to yellow, white, whatever you want, and also you can write change the background color to red color or whatever you want. You can describe everything you want to change in that particular thumbnail. Okay, and this is the thumbnail Pikzels AI has generated for me, and it is looking just amazing. As you can see, it has written Submagic AI perfectly in the back, and also it has added Submagic AI logo and full master class, and everything is looking just amazing. So in this way you can recreate any thumbnail with the help of Pikzels AI. So next is analyze feature. You can upload your thumbnail here and it will give your thumbnail a score. Then after that you can click on one click fix button to improve your thumbnail same as previous. So let me quickly give you a demo. So let me select the link from here, and let's say I want to improve this particular thumbnail which is showing in the YouTube right now. As you can see, this is the thumbnail. So let me paste this thumbnail URL here, and let me write this video title. Title is master 95% of perplexity in 16-minute full guide. So let me paste this title here, and let's click on analyze button. So as you can see right now, this thumbnail score is 62. Based on virality and curiosity, score is too low. So let's click on one click fix button and let's see what it will generate. So it should give the better version of this particular thumbnail based on the title and thumbnail we have provided. Okay, so let's see what it will generate. So as you can see, Pikzels AI has generated this improved version for the original thumbnail. So this was the original thumbnail and this is the improved version of this particular thumbnail. So you can decide yourself which version is looking good. Share your honest opinion in the comment section below. I wanna know what you think, which version is looking good, this original version or this improved version. So next is edit option. So suppose if you want to edit your existing thumbnail, then you can use this option. So let me upload a thumbnail. So I have uploaded this particular thumbnail in this edit section. So let me write something like write Pikzels AI instead of watch and write honest review instead of before buying, and let's click on generate. So as you can see, it has perfectly changed the text. So as you can see, this was the original thumbnail watch before buying, and this is the improved version where I requested to change the text like Pikzels AI honest review. So as you can see, in this way you can use Pikzels AI to edit your existing thumbnail. And also there is edit button here. Suppose if you want to edit anything in this particular screen, or if you want to change the face, then you can change the face here by clicking on persona. Okay, and also suppose if you want to change anything in this particular thumbnail, then you can select it like suppose I want to add Submagic logo here, so I will select it with the help of brush, and after that I will write add Submagic logo here, and let me upload the Submagic logo from my computer. So this is the Submagic logo, so let me upload it and let's click on generate. I only requested to change this Pikzels AI logo, but it has changed everything in this screen and it has added Submagic logo here. And also quality of this image has decreased a lot. As you can see, you can check my face, quality has degraded in the edited thumbnail. You can also consider this Pikzels tutorial video as Pikzels review video as well, because I am not hiding anything. Okay, now let me give you a demo of this last feature, which is title feature. So let's say I want to create a video about Pikzels AI review, and let's see what it will generate for us. Okay, so it is generating 3 titles for us for our next video, which is about Pikzels AI review. So first one is Pikzels AI review before you buy, testing Pikzels AI for 30 days. Can Pikzels AI beat a real designer? So last title is good, but first 2 title is not so attractive, I can say. So I will not recommend you to use Pikzels AI for generating your video title. It is not perfect. Instead of this, you can use the Claude or ChatGPT to generate the title, better title for your next YouTube video. Okay, I wanna remind you once again that if you want to try Pikzels AI absolutely free without giving your credit card detail, then check the link given in the video description and get your Pikzels AI free account. And suppose if you want to purchase Pikzels AI plan, then you can use my coupon code Sumit, which will give you 50% discount in any Pikzels AI monthly plan. So Pikzels AI free trial link and that special coupon code both are in the video description. Just go and check it out. So I have covered everything in this Pikzels tutorial and I have shared honest review as well, where I have mentioned like which tool is working perfectly, which tool is not working perfectly. One click fix button is sometimes generating the better output and sometimes it is generating the even worst thumbnail. Okay, so I have explained everything. I have shared my honest opinion. So you can consider this video as honest Pikzels review as well. I have tried to cover every single tool in this particular tutorial. I have given you a complete demo. But even after watching this Pikzels AI tutorial video, if you still have any confusion, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found my Pikzels AI tutorial 2026 video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this.